Hello, I'm Robyn Foss. Here's a quick video on how to create a snow globe ornament. Go out to Forever, go up to Create and Print, over to Photo Gifts, and down to Ornaments. Filter by Material, choose Snow Globe. Hit Done. Now you can see all the great choices there are to create your snow globe. When you're looking through the designs, you will see the design name at the top, and the next line is going to be the type of product, so snow globe ornament. The third line is going to be the colors. So some of them only have the color white available. Others have a set color, like this one has green. If you see this little rainbow, it means that besides the default color, you can change it to any of the variety of colors that are available, which are a lot. And so there's lots of different designs. You're not stuck with a design once you choose it. And a lot of times there's going to be text, you can edit it. Some of it will be set that you can't edit, and others you can't. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and say personalize. I think it's going to make it all caps. Let's see, changes. And we'll click here. I'm going to go to an album that I've set up for my pictures for photo gifts. I put a whole bunch of zeros at the front of it so that it puts it near the front of my list of albums. Alrighty, let's try one of these. Oh my, beautiful. So cute. Look how thin she was. Wow. Okay, so let's click on this. We're going to hit replace. Let's find another picture of Cleo. That's the hardest thing for me is I keep changing my mind which picture I want to use. And then right here, the text doesn't really show up too well, so let's change it to white. And then go here and white. Now if we have room to make it bigger, we can hit plus, and then it'll stop us when we can't go anymore. Very good. And let's hit preview. All right, and then we would just add to cart. So that is how quick and easy it is to create a snow globe ornament. But let's say we weren't satisfied with this. We can go over here, we can click on layout options. That's going to give us what we see here. Or designs is going to give us other designs that there are available. Then it'll move our picture into that design. It's adorable. This one's kind of neat. Let's see, we'll replace. Go to albums, pictures for gifts. That's so pretty. We kind of put all of our gotcha pictures. These are when we first got the kitties. This would be a great ornament to give my daughter. And did I already do that? I did. This is the one I want. The babies. Okay, so now this one, besides seeing other, designs out here, instead of layouts, there's colors. So let's go to colors. And so we can play around with this and try different patterns in the background, paw prints, or maybe I just saw like, oh, that's pretty. I like that. Okay. And then this 2024, maybe we can make that bigger. That's good. Yeah, I like that. I'm going to add that to cart. So sample text in the text boxes. Okay, so that's just warning you that did you make sure, because in case I use this design next year, just want to make sure that that is the correct year that you're buying. Or let's say I was making a design for a previous year And you want to make sure you have the correct year on here. If you don't change the preview text, it'll warn you. I can also hit preview. It's going to be awesome. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.